These are my two pups, and they're 11 years old and about 15 pounds each. And at this age, I've noticed a little stiffness when they get up and after they've been playing for a while. I started giving them these Native Pet Relief Chews. They are made with all natural anti-inflammatory ingredients like green lipid mussel, turmeric, and polyphenols to help with joint discomfort. They think it's a treat, so it's easy to give to them. I've noticed that they move around a lot easier, especially after our walks. It's just a simple way to give them a little more support as they get a little older.